Hello, my name is Carlos Ritos, and as you see, I'm in the middle of Animateka festival. Action goes all around here.
Zdravo, Animateka.
Kamerčopa.
Dober dan.
Hello, Animateka.
Hi, Igor. Hi, Živa.
Zdravo, Animateka.
Hello, my name is Tvrtko Rašpolić.
And I'm Matija Pisačić.
My name is Zane Oborenko.
My name is Anna Benner.
This is Naja Girik.
Piotr Dumała.
Leo Černic.
Mariam Kapanadze from Georgia.
My name is Jasmin Elsen and I'm the director of Carousel.
I'm lead animator Christian Dolic and I think we need more beers for this.
And I made the film Vojna besed ali spoštljiva tišina.
I am the author of the film Last Supper.
We are directors of short animated film Murder in the Cathedral.
Director film of Abandoned Village.
I am happy to present to you my latest film, The Surrogate.
I'm one of the directors of All Her Dying Lovers. So, since we can't travel, I'm gonna take you on a tiny tour through Berlin, from my house to my studio.
Buongiorno e salut con tutti sti bei colori intorno.
Ciao a tutti, sono Valentino e sono di Catania.
Ciao Animateka, sono Marco, vi mando un abbraccio dalla bella Sicilia.
And here we are. This is my Baumalerei. Here's my studio, where you can see my setup, a little storyboard for a new thing.
What happens?
It's basically about the stupid discussion of sending people with migration backgrounds back to their home countries.
The idea to transform statistical diagrams into sensitive bodies was triggered by a misspelling in a proposal for another project.
And this film of mine started with a single animated leaf.
I made it on paper and with big pen.
This movie is not suitable. This movie is not suitable for children, minors, religious fanatics, bird lovers, and etc.
Because it has everything a story needs. It has sex and syphilis and horrible, horrible things.
Yeah.
So yeah, just for demonstration purposes, I would literally just go over every frame. Alright, thanks for coming to my studio.
Et au revoir.
Živeli, and in Estonian, if you know how to say cheers, it's terviseks. Really weird. I hope you enjoy watching it. Ciao!